Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, December the 6th, 2024. And every Friday, the first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test. Speed test without comments, without instructions. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the 4 stars and the killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will do this 4-star Sudoku number 9709. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Told you earlier, 24 printed digits. So 1 minute already passed. So let's get started. One. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. One. Okay, 1 we already have. How about 2? Need a 2 there. Need 2 there. Need 2 here. Need 2 there. Okay. How about 3s? Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. And no 3. 3. Okay. Need a 3 there. Okay. I want the 5, the 8, and the 3 up here. 6 and 7. This should be the 5. Come on. 7, 9. Need a 9 here. Come on. 8. Need a 9 here. 9 there. Need a 9 here. Need 9 there. Okay. 7. Okay. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, and there. And 4. I need a 4 here or there. 2. Come on. 2. Okay. So about the 6? Only 1 6. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 4. Need a 4 here. 9. 4. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5. 7. Need 7 there. Need 7 there. 6 here. Okay. 7. Come on. 8. What the 8s? 8 here or 8 there. 3 should be here also. Here, give me a 3. Okay. 4. Need a 4 here. 4 4. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Need a 4 there. The 9. 7. Need a 7 here. Two. Need a 5. Need a 5 and the 8. I think I'm stuck here. 7, 3, and 5. 3, 7, 3, 5. 3, 7, and 5. 3, 7, and 5. Come on, come on, come on. 8, 9. 9. Thinking. 1, 3. Need a 4 there. 4 there. Need a 6 here. Only 1, 5, only 1. No. 5. 5, 5, 5. No 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. 4. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. How about here, the 4? This should be the 4, this should be the 8. Yeah. Okay, 8. No, 8. 8. What's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need a 9 here. This should be the 9. This should be the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. 5. And here the 8. 1 box left. 8. 8. 3 and the 6. 7. 5 and a 6. This should be the 6. This should be the 3. 3, 8. 6, 5. 6, 5. 9, 4, 4, 4. Come on. 3. 7 and here should be the 9. 7 and the 6 are missing. We have a pair here. Should be the 4 and the 5. Okay. Here the 5, here the 7. 5, 5. Here 5, there 5. Okay. 8 and a 2. 7, 6. Need a 5 here or there. This should be 4. 7, 6, and the 5. 5 could be here or there. Okay. 7, 6. 7 and a 5. Yeah, 7 and a 5. 7 and a 6. 7 and a 5. Come on. 8, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. This should be the 6 then. 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7. 5, 7. This should be 6, 6, 6, 6. Here should be the 6. This should be the 5. This should be the 7. This should be the 7. This should be the 6, 7. 5 and the 3. 5, 5, 5, 3. Here should be the 3. One box left for the 8, 8, 8, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7. 5 and the 6. Completed 11 minutes minus 1 minute, 10 minutes. Wow. Solved again. Solved again. Truly a 4 stars. But I solved this in 10 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. If there's an error, please place the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the third puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.